Musamseleku said someone sponsor Makumalo's kitchen. Musamseleku was suspecting that Makumalo was dating another man who gave them money to renovate the kitchen. Makumalo showed Musamseleku her house in Durban on season 8. That house was not yet renovated, but Musamseleku didn't sponsor Makumalo or to contribute to give Makumalo small money to renovate that house. Musamseleku maybe he have got jealous of Makumalo. We know that Musamseleku nowadays he want to compete with Makumalo. Musamseleku was in rush to take a loan to buy houses for his wives because he want his best wives to be on top, Mayeni, Macele, and Mangwabe. That's why you saw Macele's new house is more beautiful than Makumalo, because Musamseleku, he looks like he is in competition with Makumalo. So since Makumalo, she showed Musamseleku her house was still renovated. So Musamseleku and Makumalo, they started fighting on season 8 about Mayeni. So Musamseleku didn't visit Makumalo for 6 months, and he knows that Makumalo was still renovating that house. Musamseleku was busy to buy houses for other wives. That shows that Musamseleku doesn't care about Makumalo. Even if Makumalo is dating another man who gives him money, it shows that he failed to be a man to Makumalo, that he can come and he visit Makumalo on season 9. We saw him after 6 months and he said, someone sponsor your kitchen. Imagine, he can open his mouth. He doesn't have a shame to say all those words. Musamseleku all the times, he is always hating Makumalo. Even there is someone who sponsor Makumalo's kitchen. If I was Makumalo, I was asking him, where are you? Someone sponsor that kitchen because I'm your wife. We are supposed to contribute. I showed you that house on season 8, but you don't do action like you did to other wives, because Musamseleku was supposed to support Makumalo, because Makumalo did a big thing. Musamseleku to Makumalo was not a burden to Musamseleku. Makumalo came in Musamseleku's life as a blessing. Makumalo doesn't want to show Musamseleku he have got stress to think that he have to pay the house loans like other wives. Musamseleku now we have got too much stress to pay loans for Mayeni's house, Mangwabe's house, and Macele's house. Mayeni and Mangwabe, they are working, but Musamseleku was the one who take those responsibility to buy grocery, everything. They don't care about him, what I saw. But the person who cares about him, Makumalo, cares about Musamseleku. That's why she managed to buy a house without asking Musamseleku money. Makumalo, stop asking Musamseleku money for groceries. It's not about maybe she wants to be independent to enjoy it, but Makumalo feels from Musamseleku because she knows that sometimes her husband have got more stress to think about the bills at end of the month. That's why Makumalo said to him, I can pay my own bills. You understand? But Musamseleku, he can regret what he did to Makumalo. If Makumalo, she decide to be out of his life, he is going to not to meet a person who is like Makumalo the way he is doing to him. Makumalo doesn't want to be a burden to Musamseleku, but if she doesn't want to be a burden, Musamseleku have to contribute small and ask Makumalo, so you can manage to renovate your house. I can give you so much money. As he did to other wives, he managed to take a loan to buy houses for other wives. Why he can't, or to take a risk to take a loan for Makumalo to help her to renovate the house? Even Makumalo have got a lot of money, but he have to contribute to show that he is her husband, he is the man, not to come as a man of the house. That's why Makhumalo told Musa Mseleku on season 9 that the toilet is outside